After all the negotiations are done, it's time to move to the closing table. The process doesn't always look like it does in the movies. If you're a seller, you may be surprised at what your part in the process really entails. This is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate, episode 128. There are multiple stages of a listing, and if you go back on my YouTube channel, you'll find a video on the stages of a listing. For the sake of this entry, we're done with all the negotiations, requests and required repairs are completed, and both sides are ready to close the deal. The seller will typically go to their attorney's office a few days or as much as a week prior to closing day to sign their seller docs. These documents may include the deed, invoices for repairs, and final closing disclosures. If you want more information, you can check out episode 119 for closing disclosure. After the sellers sign their documents, their attorney will bundle things up and send it over to the buyer's attorney for the buyers to sign on the day of closing. Sellers often get confused on closing dates because they remember the buyer experience. The buyer's process is a little bit different. We'll break that down next week. Also, remember the process may vary from state to state and region to region. The customary practice can vary from county to county. I practice real estate in Northeast North Carolina, but the process will vary if you're in Virginia or even the Greenville, North Carolina or Triangle area. Your best bet is to make sure you are using an agent who is familiar with the state and the region and ask lots of questions to make sure you as a seller are informed. There's more coming soon in this series. Stay tuned and please share with your friends and family who may need some real estate answers. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.